always wonder what it is that makes us who we are. We all live in a space where so many things are happening at the same time. Some breaks us from within, while some defines us, and some just doesn't seem to affect us. We are also vulnerable because we all have been in love with someone or something at some point of time. These attachments we have with each other shapes us into a person we are today. And yet we never really understand who we are and why do we do what we do. Why some days are filled with immense joy, why some are deeply saddening. Why do we dream and why is it different from our reality? Do we all have a purpose that needs to be fulfilled? Is there even a higher power that resides within us and makes us do all that we do? Is it necessary to have something evil for goodness to exist? Why are we so afraid to be true to ourselves? Why is truth becoming our false reality? Why? There are so many questions unanswered, so many thoughts unknown, so many words unspoken. We are so busy living the life the way we are being told to that we often find these questions misleading. But in fact, if you closely observe and look at yourself in the mirror every morning, these questions are all over you. It's just that we have chosen to stay ignorant for a very long time. We are always chasing power, wealth, and love that we have unknowingly left ourselves behind. We never really care for ourselves the way we do for others because we think if something wrong happens to them, we will be shattered. Yeah, it's true, but in reality, if you care enough for yourselves, if you take care of your own thoughts, everything else won't affect your peace. Maybe for once, we should all accept the fact that we are responsible for nothing but how we treat ourselves, what we feed our mind and our heart. I would like to share a story. An old man was teaching his grandson about life. He said to him, "A fight is going on inside me. It is a terrible fight. And it is between two wolves. One is mean and evil, another is good. But they fight each other all the time." The grandson thought about it for a minute and asked his grandfather, "Which wolf will win?" The old man simply replied, "The one you feed the most." There is such a powerful message behind this story. What grows within us, if not contained, may surely outgrow us one day. But it need not be evil, anger, or hatred. Rather, we can have love outgrow us, goodness outgrow us. So let's give ourselves the chance to make a choice that will define us, a choice that will bring us closer to ourselves, so that we no longer wonder what it is that makes us who we are. We'll know for sure. It's us and us only.